Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. Dumelang askisi ke ketlela ke le bua tee. Ene kopa le skele wa bo no qhaiqhwai guys. Lo lena athome ka macele. Guys, no. I know it feels like Macele understand the type of marriage that she got into, but something is not adding up. Macele said after 20 years she's not accepting anyone. After 20 years she's not attending anything. Hence she did not attend Intoga Makhumalo, which made Makhumalo upset to say, but you and I have a relationship outside Umseleku. Oh, she thought. Right? And then manje le relationship le abe no Makhumalo outside Umseleku naye ngayo. Buzi ukuthi sekuba relationship. The relationship is booming manje sekumakhwela. The relationship is booming sekumakhwela, and I don't even understand ukuthi why isisu simele siyobikwa or ukuyotshelwa uMacele in advance. uMacele angisho akusuma makamusa guys. uMacele is just another makoti like the other four. Why you announcer? Like really no. I can understand it, but Umacele for Mina, she's overdoing it, and she hopes that it's a boy. Hey, and I know Umseleku wants. Guys, I had to Google yesterday. Umseleku has how many kids? Umseleku only has 10 kids. We figure out one gule 20. Mina if I was Umseleku, bengizobala nabazukulu gule 20 ya my suka. Okay, like literally, he only has 10, so it's 10 to go. Oh no, it's 11 now. It's going to be 9 to go. And uMakholo yamuza ukuthi uthini? Uthi yena vele ufuna ukukhiqiza nje aqede. Hey, I know, but uMacele guys surprised me. I think beku babes were 20 years. So it looks like akase babes were 20 years. 20 years ishintshile. What are the things that changed it as but she is so excited ngo number 5 ngathi umntana omncane oqeda ukunika stock sweets. Angazi nina nibona kanjani?